Hi, we're in northwest Wisconsin, and I thought I'd show you how to start a 1940 John Deere Model B. This is a hand start with a flywheel, so it takes a little muscle to get it going, but I'll show you the steps. The first thing I do is I remove this can, which covers up the end of the exhaust pipe. If you don't do that, mice love to crawl in there and make a nest. It creates a big mess. The next step is I turn the choke, which is right here, fully on, in the fully on position for the first step. Next, I turn on the gas, which is gravity fed. I'm just turning the valve here so that the gas starts flowing. Next, I make sure that the ignition switch is off right now, and it is. This is the throttle. You want to make sure there's just enough gas. That's about right. The other thing, of course, is that you want it in neutral at the time you're doing it. You're trying to start it. So the first step is to turn the flywheel a couple of times, not to try and start it, but to draw gasoline into the cylinder. So I'll do that now. You'll notice that the petcocks are open. This is one petcock. There's another one on the other side that I opened previously. That allows you to turn the flywheel. Otherwise, the compression would be so tight that you wouldn't be able to turn the flywheel by hand. So as soon as it fires, you shut the petcocks and you're on your way. So at this point, since I've drawn gas into the cylinders, I turn the choke onto half. I pull the ignition switch on. Make sure the throttle's good. It looks good. So we should be good to go.